all Mr. West's fault.
No, it's 4th of July's fault.
You don't need the light on.
My phone does that on purpose because it's nighttime.
You want us to do it, Mr. West, when you ordered or what?
I wouldn't.
Where are you going to kiss the ground from fire? You got to test the ground from fire.
Huh?
Here, here's what I've been doing.
An insect just fell on my head.
Just set them like that. Okay. Like that. Just set it in the side.
That was underwhelming.
That's all they are. Man. People down there doing them too.
That's more than that was.
Can I get the light again?
Yeah. Sorry.
See some flowers?
Don't stick them in real deep though.
I'm not.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They got to be lightly put in.
Yeah. Oh, brother.
Watch out. So you're just gonna do.
Is that all it's gonna do?
Yeah.
Oh. Mine's gonna do more. Mine's gonna do a lot of more stuff, right?
Yeah, yours gonna be like the other one I did.
Okay.
You can turn that light off, though, Lenny.
If I shut off the video and then restart it. This is night mode, so yeah, I don't care either way. It still catches the fireworks.
Bye.
Wow, that was even less than the other one.
We have some sparklers, so if you want to light a sparkler, you can use this too.
Just not the pink one. I already called the pink one.
Oh, come on.
Child safe.
Why do you keep having a problem with that? You gotta push it up and.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, I don't know what you're doing wrong, but I had no problem with it. Steven's safe.
It's Steven's.
I had no problem with it, man. Push it. Here, use the sparkler. Oh, not that one.
Oh, come on.
Here, light a sparkler. You still got a problem.
Sure. Want to cover it up?
Here, you got another lighter? You got a lighter lighter? Probably the lighter lighter. You gotta get too close.
This one's wiggly. This one's broken.
I mean, I was able to turn it on.
My hands are bloody.
See, now you'll have what? What's this thing going? You can use a sparkler.
I'm not sure my hands are bloody.
I mean, we're on.
Any problems? Come on, sparkler, stay going. Come on. Because once the sparkler stays going, then you can just use the sparkler, you know. It'll be It's getting windy, though. If it gets windy, it's hard.
It's not windy.
Torch, Mr. West. Your mini torch.
The mini torch. Your mini hasn't worked in a long time.
Huh?
I don't know why.
Mini torch? The mini torch in the room?
Yeah. It didn't work very good last night. We're going to run out of fluid soon if we keep doing this. Might have to go get another one. Just stand back. Oh, see you with. That's what I was saying, you gotta watch out because they kind of do weird. Yeah, go off the other direction. One sparkler.
I'm gonna go get your...
the mini torch. I don't think it works well. Oh, wow.
Okay.
So now let's have a sparkler. Maybe hold it. There's more right there.
So I've been meaning to ask you, how are we gonna handle holidays after I move? Are you guys gonna
I
pay
have
for
no
plane
idea.
tickets? Or
No, Lyndon.
so
You'll have
when
to
I was
do
at Village
holidays
Inn with
wherever you're at.
when I was at Village Inn with Angel that one month, she said that you guys might be willing to do plane tickets.
Oh, that's nice.
Uh.
Not every holiday is going to be that way.
I know, just Christmas, Thanksgiving, and my birthday.
Oh, just like 4 or 5. No, they didn't tell you that.
I said 3, not 4 or 5.
There's yours. That's your pink one.
I'm just trying to keep it away from my phone. And away from me. And the grass.
Okay, Lyndon, come here. Bring your sparkler.
Yep. They're gonna do that thing? Yep. Too late.
Sparkler died?
Died. Yep. Wind, speed, and me walking.
Stand back.
Shit.
Come back here. That's it.
Okay then.
Oh no.
Watch out for the hose.
Yep.
Help pull that hose a bit. Pull it from the other side, from that way.
Back there. Behind the tire.
Okay.
Keep dropping them?
Try more little sparklers. Hey, what sparklers? Right here. Like I said, light a sparkler and you can light off a few of them. Oh, you got the cheap things.
I had these in my closet for a very long time.
Wait, you think it's in the palm of my hand? I can't tell if it's
Some of these are dead.
ready. That shit ain't right. Why? I swear it hit pretty hard. I thought it was supposed to pop up. Yeah, you got some.
That's not a sparkler, that's a flamethrower.
No, that's a sparkler.
Like 3 in a row and then...
Oh yeah, we should set up like 3 in a row.
Yeah.
Oh, you broke one.
Watch out, they go fast. Sparklers.
Yeah, mine lasted till the end of the driveway.
Wait, almost ready.
Perfect timing.
Ow! Oh, now it pops. Now it pops.
Too bad that place didn't sell glow sticks. That would have been cool to have glow sticks out here.
Got light on still?
Yeah.
Just 4 there.
Oh, there it is.
I don't think I can do all 4 there, sure. You do on it? I don't know.
Something didn't go. Steven?
Yeah.
Right up there, that box. Fuse is on one side. Right here. See the fuse right here. Yeah, come back.
I wish fireworks weren't illegal in Utah.
That was kind of cool.
What's it called?
But you could hear things coming down, couldn't you?
Yeah, I felt some too.
Yeah. That's what they don't like.
It's 4th of July. They should just expect it.
I bet they got theirs.
Is that it? Oh, no.
Oh, that one's not going anywhere. Get out.
Good job.
I didn't. I pushed it fine.
Yeah.
I lightly pushed it in there.
That's all big stuff.
Okay.
Now we're doing, here, hand me that sparkler. Put it in that bag. Pay attention.
They're in the car. They're probably in the field somewhere.
What?
So they're probably in the field somewhere.
No, they're right over there in that neighborhood right there. They're just right there. That's going off in that next street. Oh, watch out! That one just laid down. That one didn't do anything. It just laid down. There you go.
That's like a fart, man.
That's what it's supposed to do.
Yeah, we got a lot of those.
More sparklers.
Too bad Angel didn't want to come out.
Yeah, she's maybe not keen on it. I don't know.
You should have thought your
She knew we were doing it. So.
your special ones, you know. Special
The
fireworks.
illegal ones.
The ones that you guys do and get, you know.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure my uncle still had some.
You probably does. You probably got them displayed
Still
in
packs of
big,
those.
nice case.
He actually did.
See, that's somebody doing it right over there.
Oh.
How their backyard look like.
Yeah.
Those ones were lame.
No, those are those. They're you can get the jumping jacks. They stay on the ground usually.
Oh.
That's like a big jumping jack.
Ah. Still haven't talked about your birthday? Okay.
It's Saturday.
Yes, and that's like, what, 2 days away?
Yeah, so what? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about if there's anything happening, I would like to know so that...
Yeah, of course you'll know, Lyndon. We're not going to not let you know. I don't understand what you're worried about.
Get a water bottle, right?
You said we do... you said we do the dump on Saturday or Sunday also, so it's like...
Well,
If one
yeah, that will
happened...
probably not happen on my birthday. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I already knew that.
'Cause I'm not doing anything like that.
You push it down a bit with your thumb, so there's like a little crater. You break those apart, throw the red powder in it. Put the camp on. Stab the under the hole with the push pin. Put that thing in. Then you light it and you run. Because it's not like
Go ahead. That's right over there in this neighborhood. Somebody did something on the ground.
Yeah.
Did you get them all? That one didn't even go off.
No,
They went over that way, but it didn't. Really? It didn't boom.
I saw 2 go off, and then one of the 2 that happened just like... So it go off like 2 times, and then it popped in the second. Oh, that one went all the way over there.
Are you sure?
Hopefully they do compose that.
Another trick?
The fact that you know all these is kind of freaking me out.
You get a tube, right?
Yeah, that's what we should have. Like a tube, and you just light them off. Or I've seen it
You light it on top, you drop it,
Yeah.
and they just go straight up.
shooting up. Yep.
Or my cousins did, is they would just hold it.
Yeah, I know. But that's you just watch
No,
out.
we just hold
You
it.
just go like this
Yeah,
and
we
just
just
shoot
go like
straight.
hold it. And then sometimes, you know, when you're holding it, you just put.
It doesn't go off, or it does something else.
Oh,
yeah.
trust me, it goes off on
That's
that
why
shit.
you get a pretty thick tube.
Oh, trust me. No, we had a big tube when I was with my dad's, and so there was this like, you know, the PVC pipes, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Someone like created like a grenade launcher with it, and so he would like light it up, toss them in there, and just start shooting in there.
This is the worst part. Come on.
And so like, you know, the fireworks we just launched, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes he would like take like a tube out, toss it in there, and then just Wow, you're really trying to.
Yeah, that wasn't so good.
Trying to get any of them.
Oh.
Yep, that one just got... Oh, nope. Just
That's why I said
barely.
watch out.
That one went way behind the camera. Oh, we got that one. Nope. There we go.
Don't stand right there.
Yeah, that one flew like right over my shoulder.
Those are still good. They just weren't. I didn't like how they fell.
over here watching flares out here.
Like military players.
There's actually people that actually have military grade fireworks and they do want.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One launched over here and then like they went straight up and then they just started shooting sideways like a rocket.
Oh wow! That basically like way the hell over there. Oh my god.
Oh, watch out, Chris.
And then fly over there if you would.
That one landed over there. I'm trying not to be in the direction it flies, but they're flying everywhere. They can go anywhere. Whoa, same direction.
We all shot him off.
Like I was standing out of the
Light.
I was standing out of the way and it still flew past me.
Oh, we're dead.
Oh, watch out. Well, I thought there was gonna be one right there.
Almost. That all of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
One left there.
That's why I left these bags here. So just throw them in the bag.
Oh, come on now. Look at these are just now popping.
Oh, watch out.
I'm literally stepping on some of these and like they're just now popping. Yeah, the cheap ones are the best.
Oh, it did fall.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Wanna play that game, Chris?
Ready?
Wanna play that game? Play that game, Chris? Wanna play that?
They did somewhere over there. Similar to mine, except no basket.
What?
That bike, similar to mine, except no basket.
Yeah, but he's got it's electric. This is electric.
Don't find my direction. Nope. I was just praying it wasn't gonna fly in my direction like those other two.
I was just doing a little.